Hi friends, today's class we are going to discuss about circle and its parts. Circle is a simple closed figure with a curved line segment. Examples of circles are moon, coins, bangles, etc. Inside circle, this fixed point is called center of the circle. Center of circle represents capital letters O, P, Q, etc. Now radius of the circle from center to boundary, this line segment from center to boundary, this line segment, suppose OA is called radius. Already we discussed infinity points in that curve, so there will be infinity radius. These are the radius OA, OB, OC, OD, etc. Chord of the circle. Joining of two parts of a circle, suppose here PQ, this line segment, joining of two points of a circle is called chord. There are infinity points, so we can draw infinity chords. These are all chords. Now diameter, a chord which passes through its center, a chord which passes through its center is called diameter. These are all the chords, but here XY, this XY is the chord passing through its center. So this chord is called diameter. Note the point, all the chords are non-diameters, but all diameters are chords. Figure OA, OY and OX, these three are radii. Radius plural is radii. In that XY, OY and OX, these both are radii. So diameter is the double of radius and radius is the half of diameter. Next one, arc. Just part of a circle is called arc. Part of a circle. 1, 2 or PX or PQ or AY, these are all called arc. Arc is nothing but part of a circle. Now semicircle, a diameter divide the circle into two equal halves. So each halves are called semicircle. This diameter XY divide into two equal parts, one part, down part. These both equal parts are called semicircles. Now segment, a chord divide the circle into two parts, not two equal parts, two parts. Each parts are called segment. See here, PQ is a chord divide circle into two parts, one up part, one down part. Each parts are called segment. If the segment is more than semicircle, then it is called major segment. See here, this down part is more than semicircle, so it is called major segment. As well as if this segment is less than semicircle, so it is called minor segment. Now let us discuss tangent and secant. Here center circle O and this line PQ and this line AB touching only one point of a circle, only one point. So these lines are called tangents. I mean line touching only one point. This point is called point of contact. Now secant of a circle. This line KL and XY touching 2 points, 1, 2, as well as this XY also 2 points. So a line passing through circle in 2 points, then that line is called secant. Tangent means only one point touching. This point is called point of contact, while secant is the line passing through 2 points. Now let us discuss sector. Sector is nothing but area covered by two radii, AO and OB, and arc AXB. Area bounded by two radii and arc is called sector. Note the point, semicircle also sector, because see, this is radius, this also radius, and this is arc. So semicircle is also sector. But all sectors are not semicircle. This is sector is in semicircle? No. Let us revise. Circle. Circle is a simple closed figure with a curved line segment. And this middle point is called center. Center. And radius. From center to any part of the circle, this line segment is called radius. There are infinite radius in the circle. Now chord. Joining of two parts of a circle is called chord. Now diameter. A chord which passes through its center is called diameter. Now arc. Part of a circle. Now QL is a arc. Not only QL, PQ also arc. Now two types of arcs, major arc and minor arc. A arc which is more than semicircle, this arc is called major. A arc which is less than semicircle, see this QL is called minor arc. Now semicircle, a diameter divides circle into two equal halves. Each halves are called semicircle. Now segment. A chord divides the circle into two parts, not two equal parts. Two parts. The segment more than semicircle, this down part is called major segment. A segment which is less than semicircle, this upper part is called minor segment. Now tangent. A line passing through circle only one point is called tangent. This point is called point of contact. Q. Now secant, a line passing through circle touching 2 points, this point and this point, these 2 points touching, so it is called secant. Now sector. Sector is nothing but area bounded by two radii and arc. This part is called sector. Thank you friends for watching this video. Thank you.